Are you looking for a way to host your website for free with unlimited storage, free domain, and 100% free? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make a free website. So if you want to make websites, create landing pages, and how to make money online, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell so that you don't miss any of our new videos. So click the first link in the description below, which will take you to a website that looks just like this one, which is ProFreeHost.com. So as you can see, it offers you $0 to host your website there. It offers you unlimited storage, easy to use control panel, and it is 100% free, which means you don't have to pay anything. So click on register now. Register your free account at ProFreeHost.com by putting in your email address and your password. Click check to register for a free account. Now activate your account by going to the email address that you entered above earlier. Open the ProFreeHost email. Click on the green button which says activate account. Now that you have activated the account, find the button which says create new account. So what is your website name going to be? Put it here. So if you see this message, it means that the website name is already taken. So keep trying. I'll put mine as Theo, and as you can see, it's in green, which means it is available. So click enter. Our account is being successfully created. Easy, right? Now click on manage. Control panel. Agree to their terms of service. Now you're in the cPanel of your website where you will install WordPress. So scroll to software, then click apps installer. So here you are going to be using the best web manager, which is WordPress. So do you know anything about WordPress? Do you know WordPress? Yes or no? Comment below. Click install. Scroll down where it is written admin account area and register for a free account for WordPress. Put in your username for WordPress and admin password. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click install. Open a new tab and go to your website's URL. Mine was theo.esro.com. As you can see, your website is now online. So did you manage to put your website online? Do you face any mistakes? So let me know in the comment section below, and also click the like button if you are enjoying this video, and don't also forget to subscribe to this channel. So now the question remains, how do you then customize and edit your website so that it will look cool and also professional? So step 1, you need to log into your WordPress website's backend where you edit your website. So step 2, you will need to start and edit and customize your website. So to make things simple for you, I have already created those videos for you. So step 1, you need to log into the website backend. Just click this tutorial, and then after that it will take you to step 2, which will allow you to edit and customize your website. Also remember to subscribe and comment below if you enjoyed this video, guys. Yes or no?